there, I'm Tradie Girl, a qualified painter decorator, and today I'm going to show you how to blend new paint with old paint using a feathering technique. I get asked how to do this a lot when people are moving out of their rental properties and have to fix their walls. Or, if you're like me and have added a wall, you use the same technique. I've already plastered my new wall, so now I just need to sand it, and then dust it off. Now I'm ready for the sealer. Today I'm using Resene Broadwall sealer, and to apply that, I've got an 8mm nap roller for the job. Paint your main area first, and when you get to the edges that you need to blend, the trick is to press lightly on your roller so you're not creating any harsh lines. Wait for the sealer to dry, and then use your pole sander to sand it back. Now you're ready for your top coat. The colour I'm matching to my wall is Resene White Pointer. I'm using the same size roller with an extension pole, and applying the exact same feathering technique when I get to my edges. Wait for that to dry. One last top coat now that we're a pro at feathering, and you can step back and admire your handiwork.